Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Your Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to show you how to make a pair of earrings from these tubal beads that I purchased from Joann Fabrics, okay? So you are going to need, as a matter of fact, you will probably need 2 packs of these, because over the course of the next 2 days, 3 days, including today, I'm going to show y'all how to make 3 different types of earrings using these tubal beads, okay? So you will need 2 packs of these. You are also going to need some of these, and I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. This is a bead mixture that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need 2 of these beads out of this mixture, okay? You're also going to need, or whatever beads you have. It just depends on what you decide that you want to make. You're going to need 4 of these plastic or acrylic beads, and I got these out of this bead mix that I purchased from Hobby Lobby as well. You're going to need a piece of 20 gauge wire. You're going to need a dowel, because of course I'm going to incorporate that fish hook onto these earrings, a piece of sandpaper or whatever you have, a fingernail file, whatever you have. You're going to need your flat nose pliers, your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, and some of these seed beads. Those little small beads right there. So you're going to need a few of those. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this Crafty Vision DIY. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to add on your spacer beads. So I'm going to add on my spacer bead, and then I'm going to add on one of my 8mm black beads, and then I'm going to add on this bead, and then I'm going to come back and add on another black bead and another silver bead at the end. Okay, just like that. So this is pretty much going to be in the middle. Now I'm going to take 2 of my tubal beads, and I'm going to put one on one side and one on the other side. So I'm going to slide one here, okay, and then I'm going to slide this one over on this side. Just like that. So you want to just slide it down, and that's pretty much what you should have. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a spacer bead over on this side, and another spacer bead over on this side. And I'm going to repeat what I did right here. So I'm going to add on a black one. Then I'm going to add on this one right here. Then this black one here. And then I'm going to add on this last bead, okay? And this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now, the secret to this is that you want to make sure that once you bring it together, you want to make sure that all of your those small beads that you have here on the ends kind of sort of sink into the tube, okay? And all you're going to do is you're going to bring it like this and bring it up, okay? When you bring it up, this is what your earring and your design is going to look like. That's what you're going to have. The very next thing that you want to do is you just want to make sure that everything is together. All right, and then you're going to take and wrap this part of your wire around. So we're going to bring it together. Hold it as tight as you can get it. And then just wrap that around, and you're going to come around a few times, okay? So I'm going to wrap this probably about 6 or 7 times. Bring this piece up, and I'm going to continue to wrap. Now, even though it looked like it's going to be going over to the side, don't worry about it, because I'm going to fix it so that it is going to be in the middle. And always make sure while you're wrapping that your wraps are close together, okay? Because that's what's important. Just like that, all right? Now, I am going to snip this off. And if you don't want to, you do not have to wrap this as many times as you wrap it as many times as you see fit. But the reason why I wrap it as many times as I do is because you want the earring to fall down in your earlobe. You want it to fit nice, and you want it to have a nice drop. So that's pretty much why I do what I do. So, okay. So I'm going to pinch this. And you always want to pinch it. I'm going to pinch it this way. Okay. You always want your wire that you cut off to be pretty much in the back. And you just want to try to squeeze that in so nothing is sticking. Okay. And you can also sand it down if you need to. And then I'm going to take my dowel and I'm going to make my nose. Just like this. Boop. Perfect, right? Gorgeous earring. Snip this off till about right here. And I'm going to take my sandpaper and sand it down. Okay, once you sand it down, all right, make sure it's not sticking. Then you want to take and just boop, just like that. And when people wear these, and I'm specifying this because when people get it, they be like, it's not fitting. You gotta open this up like this. Just bring it up. Slide your ear down in it. Slide it down in your ear and push it like that. All right, that's how you wear these earrings. I'm gonna show y'all. And there you have it. All right. So this is the first pair that I created with this type of technique. So, like I said, I'm going to be coming back the next 2 days with 2 more designs because I couldn't do all. I was going to do all of them in one video, but I think that would have been too much. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. And for those of you who write a comment, I greatly appreciate that as well. And y'all go make plenty. You don't necessarily have to use the beads that I used or choose to make these with. You can pretty much use any type of beads that you have. And I want to put that out there too. So please make sure you thumbs up the video. You share my content on your social media platforms, your groups. And I want to say thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.